Spiritual.
When you stay to Virgo, you always get the whole home.
Let's rock this sucker.
Bigger. A story. A script. A production.
A few moments later.
Same time.
Peace, inner peace, inner peace. Dinner, please. Dinner with peas in a sesame soy glaze.